is hair elixir? Hair elixir's oil is designed to be used as a pre-shampoo treatment before blow drying or using hot appliances to protect the hair and as a conditioning treatment. Hair elixir eliminates frizz while increasing shine and nourishes hair follicles to increase healthy hair growth. These help to repair, protect, and nourish hair. This can also be used to style your hair. What are the benefits of hair elixir to your hair? It increases elasticity, lock in moisture, boosts softness and shine, soothes dry, itchy scalp, reduces frizz, and has antioxidant-rich formula. The LUXE ORGANIX Premium Keratin 10-in-1 Hair Elixir, a leave-in treatment. This elixir repair dry and damaged hair with heat and sun protection that gives smoother and more manageable hair, which nourishes and hydrates and adds volume and texture. This elixir also reduces and controls frizz for softer and shinier hair, for pre- and post-styling hair care that conditions and detangles, and also prevents breakage and split ends. The LUXE ORGANIX Premium Keratin Hair Elixir Cuticle Coat with Deep Repair. This elixir smoothens dry hair, dull hair, damaged hair, giving hair instant and intense shine. Direction for using this product. First, after washing and conditioning, apply 2 to 3 pumps of LUXE ORGANIX 10-in-1 Hair Elixir onto palms. Second, rub together and gently stroke onto damp or dry hair in a downward motion, concentrating on the mid-length and ends. Use more for longer and thicker hair. Last, style as desired. Next, direction for using the Keratin Hair Elixir Cuticle Coat. First, this can be used on dry and damp hair. Second, place a pea-sized amount on fingertips, rubbing them together to distribute equal amount. Third, finger comb starting from the ends of hair, working your way up to the roots. And lastly, reapply as needed. Thank you for watching. Till next time.